Hi, I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. And I am here to talk to Geminis, whatever you like. Alright. And this is all about the month of November. So, what will happen majorly in the month of November? So my tarot is like the GPS system. So यहाँ पे 200 मीटर पे गड्ढा है, यहाँ से राइट लीजिए, यहाँ से लेफ्ट लीजिए. So I've also been doing the IVRs, similar IVRs. So take a left after 200 meters. Okay, let me see what all can we do in the month of November. Geminis, wow. It's all about learning and learning. Lovely. You learn a lot in the month of November. If not education wise, I know they are vacations. No, if not education wise, but then life always teaches you lessons. You will learn something new for sure. You might get a nice logical idea. You might think of a new scheme, but a very logical one. I'm not talking about a very creative kind of a scheme. I'm talking about good planning. I'm talking about practical plannings. All right. So this is what you will be doing in this whole month. With money, your money is fine. Okay, money is fine, but do not take any risks with money, because I know you will get good ideas this month and you will feel okay, so ये शेयर में डाल देते हैं, वो ऐसा ट्रिपल हो जाएगा, multiplied by 20 हो जाएगा, whatever हो जाएगा after these many years. No, that's not going to happen. So this is not a month that you take risks, but you can take calculated risks. So use your brain, use your logical brain for good calculations and take calculated risks this month, allowed. But being risky is definitely not allowed. And this is especially about money. So income of money is not an issue. See, sort of weird condition. Income of money is not an issue, but expense or outgoing of money is an issue. सो आप कैसे खर्चा करते हो पैसा, ये यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इन दिस होल मंथ. राइट, you will shine in your career. You might get some award or the employee of the month, or people will talk about you. You will shine like the sun. Career is very good, just that do not take any risks when it comes especially to money. Overall also, no one, I'll never tell people to take risks and be risky in that matter, but calculated risks are allowed, not an issue. Your brain will be running really fast this time and you will be very curious about things. You will get a lot of ideas, very logical ideas. You will find about certain websites, you will find about certain apps, and you'll feel, you'll be very lured to invest money in something, but it will not be invest, it will be waste. In waste. Right. But career is good. You will get name, you will get fame, and you will get success, and you will get status, and you will go ahead in your career very nicely. I know this is not a time of any promotion or increment for that matter, but still you will shine. There will be something about you. People will write good about you, talk good about you. You'll be missed if you do not go to office or to work. Okay, then come relations. Relations are fine. This time, this month, November month, you will be benefited by women a lot. Women will be also benefited by women. Men also will be benefited by women, especially self-employed people will go with a lot of word of mouth, and they'll get work because of word of mouth or due to their good behavior. So women will benefit women, men will also benefit women power. I'm not a very brand ambassador of feminism and all in that sense, in the negative sense. Yeah, I'm very proud that I'm a female. But this kya karu, this month is all about women now. ladies. Good. So that's more about relations. Warning. Because I spoke about relations, the next card was a warning card. Warning, warning, warning. Red cross, red cross, red cross. Disclaimer. Do not trust someone who has come back in your life. This person has come with some ill intentions. So if someone has come back in your life, maybe your ex, maybe someone whom you've lost touch with, or someone who's left you and then realized, oh, I shouldn't have done this, and then this person is coming back, but it is not with good intentions. And in the spiritual sense, it's not going to work out. See, I cannot judge someone even when the person has realized that you were good for you and the person came back. I cannot even judge that person. He has all the right, he or she has all the right to do whatever he feels and come back and try and give it a shot. But still, it's not going to work. And you might get hurt in the bargain again. So that's a warning, a big, big warning. Then, see, this month, no, you have a lot of blessings. You'll be redeeming a lot of blessings from your past life, from your past, or from your mom, dad, and all your prayers. This is the time that you redeem these points. So you will redeem all your blessings. The angels are with you. Just keep your temperament right, okay? Well, everything seems fine. The only warning signals, there were 2 warning signals for you. Do not take wrong decisions about money, and that too spending money. And another was, do not blindly trust someone who's come back in your life and wanting to, get back with you. Wait for a month. Let's see. I would say wait for a month, because this is a reading for November. And if you are also interested and you want to try this out, don't commit anything in November. Just go on dates, maybe just interact and understand what are the intentions of this person, and then we'll see in December what could be done. So I would always say for clarity. So overall, I see in this month, you need a lot of clarity. So for clarity, you could use a clear quartz. Sphatic, a clear quartz. So this is just a pyramid that I am showing. But this clear quartz is available in many shapes. You could also use a tumble. You could use an anklet, which gives you clarity. And you could also use a pendant or a bracelet, or a lot of people love wearing those malas, the sphatic malas. You could use that. Or the best way is take a tumble, put it in water, make the water crystalline overnight, and then drink that water. This will also detoxify all the toxins, give you a lot of clarity of thoughts, and clear a lot of things for you. So the crystal of the month for the Geminis is clear quartz. I hope you understood what I said and you liked what I said, and this really helped you. Any more consultation directly with me also, you can send me a message or get in touch with all my numbers, and share this video with people, because in each and every video I'm giving some of the other tips also relating to this month and overall what all they should be doing. And if I'm of help with anything to people, I'm listening, I'm reading, I am, even my clients, I get a lot of depression clients, suicidal clients, unmotivated clients. So even one video, if that motivates, if they feel that, oh, I have to just go 1 month ahead in my life, and I can bear this for a month, or I can this tip will help me for this month, and it really helps, then I'll be really grateful. I feel that is my life purpose, that is my passion, and that's why I'm born for. And you should also be a part of it. So do share these videos, subscribe to my channel, because every month I'll be putting these videos. All right. So